Diet and training, finally in one place. This is My Diet Plan, the app where you build your path step by step. From the home dashboard, you have your day at a glance: meals, workouts, measurements, and wellness. You compose your own meal plan, choose foods and quantities, and calories and macros update in real time as you build it. In the food diary, you record what you actually eat, meal by meal, and in the history, you see your progress over time. Then it's off to the gym. You design your workout cards set by set, with exercises, loads, rests, and intensity methods. In the workout diary, you check off sets one by one with an integrated rest timer. The app estimates your 1-rep maxes and shows your trends. Record weight, circumferences, skin folds, and body composition. Monitor sleep, hydration, and stress with breathing and mindfulness exercises. And with the Motor Lab, you put your skills to the test. Guided motor tests and measurable progress. In the library, you'll find ready-to-use foods, exercises, and routines to start from. Your data remains yours. Export it whenever you want to PDF or Excel. And everything is synced on the cloud across every device. Create your diets and programs comfortably from your computer and log from your phone at the gym or at the table. Try it for free. 7 days with all features, no credit card required and no automatic charges. Then you choose $9.99 per month or $59.99 per year, about €5 per month. My Diet Plan. Nutrition and training designed by you. Start your free trial today at My Diet Plan. Point Nutritionista Gabrovek pointed.